Rittal, the system. Faster, better, worldwide.
In today's society, it would be hard to cope without electricity. Just think about it. How often are you not dependent on electricity during the day, both in your personal and your professional life? Everyday existence has come to be governed by access to electrical power, and we could hardly manage without it. Even short power failure causes us a lot of trouble. The same applies in industry, but to an even greater extent. Irrespective of the line of business, the supply of electrical power is essential. Imagine a society without electricity. For how long would we be able to function? Of course, different kinds of businesses have different kinds of needs. A bank or office complex, for example, does not demand as much power as the process industry. Where one can manage without power for a couple of hours, 15 minutes could mean complete disaster to the other. The result might be tremendous losses of revenue through disruptions in production or loss of information. In extreme cases, it could also mean loss of human life. We know that the number of fires within industry have increased over the last 10 years to about 1,500 cases a year. Many of these are caused by electrical problems. They can have devastating results. Apart from the need for uninterrupted power, that which is common to all, irrespective of the line of business, is the demand for safety. That is why, as a preventative measure, it is a reasonable demand that all electrical equipment is thoroughly tested for quality and safety, and that such tests should be performed by independent laboratories. For many years, Rittal has been working to make the processes within industrial automation and IT infrastructure simpler, safer and better. Today, we can present a complete and uniform concept for safe and efficient power distribution, easy and secure to assemble, to extend and to use. Ri4Power. The basis of the Ri4Power concept is the TS8 system platform, a cleverly designed framework allowing a number of different options. TS8 can function as the basis for such different areas as low-voltage systems within industrial automation to physical IT infrastructure solutions. We see the TS8 as having roughly the same significance as the skeleton has to the human body. It is the framework around which everything else is built. However, there is an important difference. The TS8 can be extended and linked to other TS8 systems. Apart from the TS8 framework, Ri4Power consists of 4 parts. Power distribution form 1, for example, for main distribution systems and frequency converters. Low voltage distribution systems form 2 to 4. Distribution panels for buildings. The software power engineering, an innovative tool for fast calculation and design. That which makes the Ri4Power Form 2 to 4 system unique is the versatility provided by the TS8 platform. This means that the low-voltage Ri4Power Form 2 to 4 can be connected with automation systems and distribution panels. You can extend the system when your business demands more power. You have access to an extensive and well-adjusted program of accessories. The mounting is easy, one person, fewer tools. Ri4Power is also compatible with all current suppliers of components. The assembly of Ri4Power is fast and simple. Every part from the TS8 framework is based on modular assembly. Dividing walls, both vertical and horizontal for functional space, enclosure for incoming circuit, bus bars, adapters, partial mounting plates and covers for DIN rail components. New adapters for breakers up to 630 ampere. The smart TS8 system for hinges. All developed to make assembly, installation, operation and maintenance safe and efficient. Could there be any more advantages? Time is money, as the saying goes. Product development that makes the work easier and faster and can be carried out by one person alone also means significant savings in terms of economy for the company involved. Further savings can also be made due to the fact that space can be utilized more efficiently. Serial production is another important contributory factor to keeping costs low. Looking at your investments over a long-term perspective, more than 10 years, it is extremely important that you have the possibility to extend the power distribution system should your production or business require it. Keeping costs for maintenance and service down without disturbances in function or impairing safety is another aspect of good production economy. But of course, more important than anything else is safety. The fact that Ri4Power has been tested in accordance with international standards IEC 60439-1 and subjected to ARC tests goes without saying. The safety and well-being of the operator must never be compromised. Simple modular mounting reduces the risk of mistakes and, as a result, the risk of work-related accidents. Ri4Power is the result of decades of experience in working with power distribution. With Ri4Power, the work has been made easier, more efficient and more flexible. But above all else, it has become safer. And that is a fact that we are really proud about.